the Scotch bonnet MOAs. This one's in the big pot. This is probably the one the smallest. And then we have 4 in the cups, 5 in total. Looking really nice. Next up are the Tabascos. I've got 3 of these and they're all in different stages. And here are the ghost peppers. We have 3 of these as well. And here are the habaneros. Just the 2. And they're still in the small stage. Here are the Zabrangis. We've got 4 of these. Here we go. Look at that one. Next up are the poblanos. 2 of those. Looking very different. And here are the jalapenos. 2 of these. And looking alright. And here are the black jalapenos. A lot slower starts, but they're coming along. Let's see what happens with these. And here is the one sweet banana I'm growing. It's looking okay. And the one Zimbabwe black. Look at those leaves. Crazy, crazy. So they've all been sorted, counted, checked. Apart from that one large orange tie, I think the rest of them are coming along. Just need a little bit of a turning to make sure they're getting the light fully, getting as much of that light energy as possible. But there we have it. Now we know where we stand on day 23. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day. A happy Tuesday to you all. The sun is shining. It's a bit chilly. Wear a jacket before that rain comes. Get yourself out there, get some fresh air. Go and do what you enjoy. You take care of yourself. Look after me, myself and I. Because no one's going to throw you a lifeline if you're drowning. Take care, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye.